What are the Greek and Latin roots of polygon names? Imagine trying to name a shape with many sides. It might seem tricky at first, but the names actually tell us a lot about the shape itself. When you see a shape like a pentagon or a hexagon, those names are made from Greek and Latin roots. These roots describe how many sides or angles the shape has, making it easier to understand what you're looking at. The most important part of these names is the word gon, which comes from the Greek word gonia. That word means angle or corner. So, every time you hear a shape called a polygon, it's talking about many angles or corners. The prefixes in these names usually come from Greek or Latin numbers. For shapes with many sides, Greek prefixes are common. For example, tri means 3, so a triangle has 3 sides. Tetra means for, which is used in the word tetrahedron, though for 4-sided shapes we often say quadrilateral. Penta means 5, so a pentagon has 5 sides. Hexa means 6, like a hexagon. Hepta means 7, as in heptagon. Octa means 8, which is an octagon. Ennea means 9, as an enneagon. For shapes with fewer sides, Latin prefixes are often used. For example, tri for 3 sides is Greek, but it's also accepted for triangle. Quadri or quater means for, and is Latin, used in the word quadrilateral. These roots help us see at a glance how many sides or angles a shape has. When shapes have even more sides, the names combine Greek prefixes with the suffix gon, which means angle. For example, deca means 10, so a decagon has 10 sides. Icosa means 20, as in icosagon. Hecta means 100, so a hectagon has 100 sides. Sometimes names mix Greek and Latin roots, like nonagon, which combines Latin non for 9 with Greek gon. Another example is undecagon, where Latin undec means 11 and gon means angles. In most cases, the suffix gon always comes from Greek and refers to angles or corners. The prefixes mostly come from Greek numbers, especially for shapes with many sides. Latin prefixes are used more often for shapes with fewer sides, like the quadrilateral. These names are not just labels. They tell us exactly how many sides or angles a shape has. So knowing that penta means 5 and gon means angles, you can instantly picture a shape with 5 sides and 5 angles, called a pentagon. This naming system makes it simple to identify and talk about different shapes in geometry.